Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best tabletop Christmas tree is probably one of the most enchanting and space-saving ways to bring the festive spirit into your home this holiday season, offering a delightful miniature version of the traditional evergreen that comes pre-decorated or ready for your personal touch, complete with twinkling lights and charming ornaments to create a cozy and magical ambience without the bulk of a full-size tree, making it an ideal choice for apartments, dorm rooms, or as a charming accent. Peace in any living space. Number 5. PREXTEX 23-inch DIY Mini Christmas Tree with Lights. Bring holiday cheer to any space with this charming tabletop decoration. Its perfect height offers a quick, easy, and joyful way to decorate your home, office, or classroom. Everything you need for instant festive decorating fun is included. This kit comes with a star topper, colorful ornaments, gift boxes, and a bright LED string. Assemble your tree in minutes and enjoy bright, cozy holiday magic. Simply insert the stand, spread the branches, hang the ornaments, and switch on the lights. Enjoy reliable, worry-free festive lighting with the included LED string. It meets safety standards for safe indoor holiday decorating. This delightful nearly 2-foot tree makes a perfect gift. It's an easy DIY holiday piece that adds warmth and sparkle to any desk, table, or shelf. What we like? This option offers a complete DIY set for instant festive decorating fun. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to add holiday cheer to any small space like a desk or classroom, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free decorating experience. What people say. The tree has a realistic look and feel, with a good amount of lights and ornaments included. It's the perfect size for a small apartment or as a decorative accent on a table. The lights are bright and evenly distributed, creating a festive atmosphere. Number 4. PREXTEX 23-inch DIY Mini Christmas Tree with Lights. Bring holiday cheer to any space with this charming 23-inch decoration. It's a quick, easy, and joyful way to decorate your home, office, or classroom. Everything you need for instant festive fun is included. This kit comes with a star topper, ornaments, gift boxes, and a string of lights for decorating. Assemble your festive tree in minutes and enjoy bright, cozy holiday magic. Simply insert the stand, spread the branches, hang the decorations, and switch on the lights. Enjoy reliable, worry-free festive lighting with the included 35 LED string. It meets safety standards for safe indoor holiday decorating. This nearly 2-foot tree makes a cute gift for anyone. It's an easy DIY holiday piece that adds warmth and sparkle to any desk, table, or shelf. What we like? This one comes with dual LED light strings, offering both warm white and colorful options with multiple modes. If you enjoy customizing your holiday ambience and prefer battery-operated lights for flexible placement without worrying about outlets, this is the perfect fit for you. What people say. The tree is a perfect size for my desk and the lights are bright and evenly distributed. It comes with a good selection of ornaments that are easy to hang and look very festive. The base is sturdy and prevents the tree from tipping over, even with the ornaments on it. Number 3. Liecho 24-inch Tabletop Christmas Tree. Introducing a charming 24-inch tabletop Christmas tree, designed to bring holiday cheer to any space. It's the perfect size for desks, mantels, or as a delightful accent in any room. This festive tree comes complete with 30 red berries, 20 colorful ball ornaments, and a shining golden star for the top. Everything you need for a stunning display is right in the box. 2 3-meter LED light strings, 1 warm white and 1 colorful, illuminate the tree with 30 bulbs each. Easily controlled with 3 AA batteries, you can choose from steady on, flashing, or off modes to set the perfect mood. Unleash your creativity. All ornaments are individually wrapped, allowing you to personalize your tree and achieve the exact festive look you desire. It's a fun and engaging decorating experience. Create wonderful holiday memories with this beautiful decoration. It's an ideal Christmas gift for friends and family, sure to be cherished throughout the season. Upon arrival, simply arrange the branches and ornaments to your liking. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, please don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. What we like? This all-in-one kit provides everything you need for a DIY experience, powered by batteries for easy placement anywhere. If you're someone who loves the hands-on aspect of decorating and wants the freedom to place your tree without being near an outlet, this is an excellent option for your home or workspace. What people say. The tree is a perfect size for my desk and the lights are bright and evenly distributed. It comes with a good selection of ornaments that are easy to hang. The overall design is very festive and adds a nice touch to my holiday decor. Number 2. Joiedomi 24 Mini Christmas Tree Tabletop Set. Get ready for the holidays with this complete tabletop Christmas tree kit. It includes everything you need to create your own festive centerpiece. Inside the box, you'll find 50 LED lights, a sparkling star treetop, and 24 charming mini ornaments. All designed to bring your tree to life. This charming tree is powered by a convenient battery box, so you can place it anywhere you desire without worrying about cords. Setting up your mini tree is a breeze. Simply arrange the decorations in minutes and enjoy its festive glow throughout the season. Ideal for your home, office, or as a stunning centerpiece for tables. It's also a wonderful addition to weddings and Valentine's Day decor. This tree is the perfect choice for creating unforgettable festive memories. It's sure to be a cherished decoration for years to come. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This delightful mini tree makes an awesome present for friends and family, spreading holiday cheer to all. What we like? This option stands out with its plug-in LED lights, ensuring a stable and worry-free holiday decor experience without the need for batteries. If you prefer a reliable, continuous light source and want to avoid the hassle of replacing batteries, this is the ideal choice for a spectacular and effortless Christmas decoration. What people say. The tree is pre-lit with 50 warm white LED lights, which saves the hassle of stringing lights yourself. It comes with 20 assorted ornaments, including mini baubles, pine cones, and stars, making it a complete decorative set. The tree has a realistic flock design that mimics a snow-covered pine, adding a festive touch to any tabletop. Number 1. 23-inch mini tabletop Christmas tree with lights. Brighten up your home or workspace with this festive mini tree. It comes complete with lights and beautiful ornaments, perfect for spectacular Christmas decor. This set includes everything you need: a star topper, decorative bow, mini ornaments, gift boxes, and multicolor LED lights. It's ready to plug in and enjoy. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply arrange the tips, add the ornaments and bow, top it with the star, arrange the gift boxes, and wrap with the lights. Then, just turn them on for a happy Christmas. Our lights are UL certified and meet all safety standards for a worry-free holiday. You won't have to worry about replacing batteries anymore. This charming set makes an ideal Christmas gift for anyone. It's perfect for adding a festive atmosphere to homes, offices, or classrooms. What we like? This set includes a decorative bow along with other ornaments and features plug-in lights for a reliable power source. If you appreciate extra decorative touches and want the convenience of not having to worry about batteries, this is a fantastic choice for easily adding a festive atmosphere to your home or office reception. What people say. The tree is a perfect size for my small apartment and the lights are bright and evenly distributed. The ornaments are a nice touch and add a festive feel without being overwhelming. Easy to set up and looks great on my desk, bringing a lot of holiday cheer to my workspace. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.